Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all a recipe that was kind of requested or hinted to me by a fellow viewer. She wanted to know if you can make tofu pholourie. So here's my version. So I'm going to start with some green seasoning, and you want the green seasoning to be a little bit on the runny side, not chunky. Go in with some turmeric, some paprika, all-purpose seasoning, some salt to taste, and some black pepper, and you want to mix that well. Add in the tofu pieces, and I'm using extra firm tofu, and toss to coat. Allow the tofu to marinate for about 1 hour. Next, you're going to put up a frying pan and add some chili infused coconut oil. You just want a little bit of oil so that we can create a nice crust on the tofu. Place the tofu into the oil, and we're going to allow this tofu to cook up. Get a nice crust on all sides. Reserve that liquid that the tofu was in. Continue to cook the tofu, turning. You want to make sure that all sides are brown. Once it's finished, you want to drain it on paper towels. Now let's make the mix. The pholourie mix, I'm using this store-bought pholourie instant mix, or you can use a recipe for pholourie that's already on my channel. So I'm going in with that pholourie mix. I'm not using all, and I'm going in with some lukewarm water to bring this together to form a thin paste. Don't overmix the batter. Once it's completely mixed in, it's ready to be used. You're going to take the tofu pieces and dip it into that pholourie mix. Coat all sides well and place it into the hot oil. And now I have my heat on a medium high. These are not going to take long to cook because it's only covering the tofu, and the tofu is already cooked. So it may take like under a minute. These are pretty small. So fry until they're golden brown, after which you'll take them out of that oil and drain them on some paper towels. And all you have to do next is serve it with your favorite sauce. So here you see the tofu inside. It's packed with tons of flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed this really unique recipe. Try it and let me know. You can even try it with soya chunks. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.